Protect your home with the best security cameras, offering clear video, motion detection, and easy remote access for peace of mind. Starting at number 1, Hiseeu Wireless Security Camera. The Hiseeu 2K Pan Tilt Wireless Security Camera System is a versatile outdoor security solution that combines clear 3MP, 2304x1296, PTZ video with remote pan, tilt, and 5x digital zoom for broad coverage. It features AI human detection with instant motion alerts, reducing false alarms, and two-way audio for seamless communication via mobile or PC. Equipped with color night vision and IP66 weatherproofing, it ensures clear imaging even in darkness and harsh weather. The system comes with an 8-channel NVR and a pre-installed 1 TB hard drive, supporting 24/7 recording and up to 8 cameras, making it easy to expand and monitor your property efficiently. Number 2, SYMYNELEC Light Security Camera. The SYMYNELEC 5 GHz 2.4 GHz light bulb security camera is an easy-to-install outdoor-indoor surveillance solution that simply screws into a standard light socket, requiring no drilling or extra wiring. It captures sharp 2.5K 4MP video with AI-powered human motion detection and auto tracking, giving you broad coverage with remote pan tilt control via the SYMYNELEC app. The camera offers color night vision, two-way talk, built-in siren alarms, and compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant, making remote monitoring and smart home integration simple. Its IP65 weatherproof design ensures reliable performance outdoors, and you can save footage locally on a microSD card or to the cloud. Users praise its straightforward setup and comprehensive monitoring features, though some note that Wi-Fi connectivity and nighttime clarity can vary depending on placement and lighting. Number 3, LITYMOL MagCam Security Camera. The LITYMOL 2K 32G MagCam is a versatile wireless security camera ideal for both outdoor and indoor home monitoring. It delivers crisp 2K HD video with enhanced color and infrared night vision for clear footage even in low light conditions. The camera features AI-powered PIR motion detection that sends instant alerts to your phone and can distinguish between people, vehicles, pets, and packages. Its magnetic mount and rechargeable battery make installation quick and flexible without the need for wires, and the IP65 weatherproof design ensures reliable performance in various environments. The built-in two-way audio, siren, and flashing light help you interact with visitors or deter intruders, while 32 GB of local storage plus free cloud options let you save and review footage with ease. Number 4, Blink Mini 2. The Blink Mini 2 is a second-generation plug-in smart security and pet camera that helps you monitor your home from anywhere using the Blink app. It delivers 1080p HD live video with color night view and a built-in spotlight, plus real-time motion detection alerts so you never miss activity. You can see and speak through two-way audio right from your phone, and it works with Alexa for voice control and smart home integration. With the optional Blink subscription plan, you get advanced features like person detection and cloud storage, and can even stream recorded clips or use Mini 2 as a chime for Blink video doorbells. Easy to set up and versatile enough for indoor use or outdoor with a weather-resistant adapter. It's a compact, affordable choice for everyday home security. Number 5, Blink Outdoor 4. The Blink Outdoor 4 is a 4th-generation wireless smart security camera designed for simple home protection with long-lasting battery power and reliable performance. It delivers 1080p HD live video with infrared night vision and two-way audio through the Blink Home Monitor app, letting you see and speak to visitors in real time. The camera runs on 2 AA lithium batteries that can last up to 2 years under typical use, offering truly wireless monitoring without frequent charging or wiring. It also features enhanced dual-zone motion detection that sends alerts to your smartphone with optional person detection through a Blink subscription plan. With support for cloud storage, free 30-day trial, and local backup options, plus integration with Alexa for voice control, Blink Outdoor 4 is a versatile choice for outdoor home security.